Imagine the roar of a legend, reborn for the future. The 2026 Jaguar F-Type Coupe isn't just redesigned, it's reimagined to captivate your senses and redefine what it means to drive with soul. Welcome, car lovers and thrill seekers. You're about to witness the unboxing of a machine crafted with elegance, purpose, and raw British power. The Jaguar F-Type Coupe 2026. If you've ever dreamed of owning a piece of timeless performance, this could be the moment that brings you closer. Let this masterpiece remind you, dreams on wheels do come true. Meet the reimagined Jaguar F-Type Coupe 2026. Bolder lines, sharper focus, a sleeker silhouette that balances heritage with modern aggression. This isn't a refresh, it's a statement. The front end greets you with piercing LED matrix lights, flanked by a wider grille that screams dominance. The sculpted hood flows into a fluid body, wrapped in aerodynamic perfection. Notice the chiseled shoulder lines, the vented sides, and the gloss black elements that accentuate its low stance. The coupe's curves play with light, like a panther ready to strike. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cockpit of sophistication. Jet black Windsor leather, contrast stitching, ambient lighting that breathes life into every corner of the cabin. A 12.3-inch interactive driver display, seamlessly integrated with Jaguar's latest Pivi Pro infotainment. Every button, every screen, every sound. Precision meets personality. Under the hood, a growling V8 tuned for both grace and fury. Whether you choose rear-wheel drive or all-wheel, expect blistering acceleration and Jaguar's signature exhaust symphony. With adaptive dynamics and torque vectoring, it hugs corners like a true sports predator. This is driving stripped down to its raw, intuitive essence, controlled, yet wild. Safety and intelligence go hand in hand. From lane keep assist to driver condition monitoring, this F-Type watches out for you while you chase the thrill. Starting at an estimated $80,000, the 2026 F-Type Coupe offers multiple trims from refined luxury to pure performance. A car made for those who dare to stand out. Born from a bloodline of icons dating back to the E-Type, this new F-Type carries 6 decades of racing heritage, now molded for a future that's faster, smarter, and louder. This is more than a machine. It's a symbol of who you are when you're behind the wheel. Daring, confident, and unforgettable. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If this unboxing moved your heart, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More legends await. And remember, every great story begins with a drive.